Are you ready to nail party? Hello, I'm Tammy Taylor, president of Tammy Taylor Nails, and today I'm so excited to demonstrate for you a short oval nail using SCULPT Acrylic Gel Hybrid. Now let's get started.
Sanitize your hands and your client's hands with Sanitize, 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 available in peach or gardenia. Remove the polish with fast-acting polish remover, available in peach or gardenia. Etch the nail with the 100 grit Purple Terminator etcher. Go with the way the nail grows. Push back the cuticle. Put little scratches in the nail. Make sure there's no shiny spots on the nail. If there's any shiny spots, this could cause lifting. You go from cuticle to free edge. Push back the cuticle with the tritium stone. Make sure there's no skin that's grown up on the nail. If there's any skin that's on the nail, this can cause lifting. Dust off the nail with a plastic manicure brush. Apply your non-lifting nail primer. This dries out the oils in the nail and kills all the germs on the nail. I will be using the Competitive Edge Double Thick Gold Nail Form. Put your curve in your form. Place the curve under the free edge. Stick down your form. Stick down the sides. Stick down your wings. Secure your form. Apply Stuck-on You Bonder Gel Base. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cure 30 seconds in your Mighty Mini Deluxe, 45 seconds in a regular LED, or 2 minutes in a UV. I will be using soft pink Sculpt. Pour a small amount of Shape It Up into a glass dapping dish. This is to keep your brush moist. The way to determine the size of your bead is by how long your free edge is going to be. This is going to be to about a 1, so I will be using a small bead. So measure it, and then just a little extra for your nail bed. And scoop it out. Place the rounded edge towards the cuticle. Moisten your brush. Pat it out. Get a little bit more in my brush there. There we go. Start at your cuticle. Angle your brush like a pencil. Make sure you get that cuticle area perfect before you move on. Go from side to side, side to side, and then start bringing it out. Bring it in. Bring it straight out. Short oval nails can break easily because they don't have a lot of support. To make them stronger, I apply the product square and then shape it oval. Place the nail into an LED for 10 to 15 seconds or 20 to 30 seconds in a UV. Then squeeze your C-curve. Squeeze the C-curve. This makes the nail nice and strong. Then go back into the light for a full cure. 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Remove the form and do another full cure. 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nail with Clean It. I will be filing in 5 steps using my long-lasting 180 Zebra. Score the edges, so that way when you're filing around the cuticle, it's nice and smooth. Just throw away your etcher. First step in filing, file straight out from the nail groove on the right. Second step, straight out from the nail groove on the left. Third step in filing is to shape the free edge. I'm going to be doing an oval, so I'm going to be holding my file almost flat. Filing straight across until the tip of the free edge is flush with the file. Then you have an oval. Step number 4 is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. File down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side. Down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side. A little road around the cuticle. You have product, natural nail cuticle. Place your file into that little road and get the product flush with the natural nail. Down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side. Step number 5 is the client's angle. Turn the nail around and look at the angle the client will be looking at for the next 2 weeks. Bevel down towards the tip. I'm going to buff the nail with my clean finish buffing file. Nice long strokes. Go around the cuticle. Make sure you get a nice smooth cuticle area. Bevel down towards the tip. Have the client go wash their hands with Peach Antibacterial Soft Soak and a plastic manicure brush. Apply Flawless Foundation. Nice long strokes. Cap the tip. Cure 30 seconds in a Mighty Mini Deluxe, 45 seconds in a regular LED, or 2 minutes in a UV. I will be using Luxe Beige Gel-Against Gel Polish. Apply in nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 1 minute in LED or 2 minutes in a UV. You can apply 1 coat or 2 coats. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Clean up around the edge a little bit. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Apply Flawless Finish, a super shiny top gel. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 30 seconds in a Mighty Mini Deluxe, 45 seconds in a regular LED, or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nail with Clean It. Apply conditioning cuticle oil, available in peach or gardenia. Now you have the short oval sculpt nail.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.